Hi, I'm Mary. So you may see solar panels popping up all over your neighborhood, and you're starting to wonder if solar is a good idea for you. And one of the first questions that will come up when you start thinking about solar is whether or not your roof will meet the requirements needed for solar. So it's actually pretty easy for your roof to meet those requirements. It doesn't have to be a metal roof or anything for your roof to be able to withstand solar. The biggest thing is just that your roof is structurally sound and that it has enough surface area facing the sun that it's able to collect enough energy to power your home. Let's go through those points a little bit more in depth. The first one, structurally sound. So solar panels only weigh about 40 pounds and they cover a surface area of about 18 feet. So foot by foot, they really aren't all that heavy. Secondly, the surface area on your roof. You just need to have enough space to fit enough panels that you're able to offset your energy needs for your home. So you have to be able to collect enough sunlight, meaning that there can't be large obstructions, buildings or trees covering a large amount of surface area on your roof. For people with large two-story homes that they have a large amount of square footage inside, but they're taller rather than wider, some of those homes need a lot of energy to power the home, but they don't actually have a whole lot of roof space. So in that case, sometimes it might be a better option to install a ground mount. And then lastly, we just need to make sure that your roof and the solar panels combined are able to withstand any weather that might come into your area. So the engineers who made your roof, they design it in a way that it's able to withstand what's called a 1,000-year weather event. So if you live in a desert, that would be like a huge ice or snowstorm. So our engineers will go up there and use their programs to make sure that the roof is still capable of withstanding an event like that, even with the solar panels. So this is a good reflection on why it is important to hire a professional to install your solar panels, because they have the engineering programs and access just to information that those of us who aren't engineers wouldn't have, so that they can make sure that your roof can withstand solar panels and still be okay regardless of what comes.